Hello, and welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, 20 megawatt solar landfill projects underway in Massachusetts, Bacardi breezes into recycling, €575 million hazardous waste to energy venture for SITA in China, and British dustman saves thousands of WW1 photos from landfill. American Capital Energy is developing nearly 20 megawatts of solar capacity at capped landfill sites in Cape Cod and on the island of Martha's Vineyard. The company explained that a further 2.5 megawatts of installations will be made on brownfield sites, bringing the total to 22 megawatts spread across 9 sites. The portfolio has been financed and will be owned and operated by Clean Focus Corporation and will be the biggest group of landfill solar facilities built in the United States. Once complete, the sites will sell net metering credits to several towns in the Cape and Vineyard Electric Cooperative and to the town of Dennis under 9 20-year agreements. Spirits manufacturer Bacardi has published a video showing how it recycles the barrels used to age its rum. The company explained that it's the length of time that the rum spends in the American white oak barrels which determines its aroma, smoothness and price. In some cases that can mean many years. Here's a look at what happens to the barrels when they're ready to retire.
A term that we use here that is exhausted. An exhaust barrel is a barrel that's been with us for a significant number of years and you can use it anymore. So in this case, when that happens, that barrel we can recycle as wood chips, we can use them as planters, and as a matter of fact, even we can use it as a compost.
The mulch is used for agricultural purposes. The mulch is really rich in nutrients and help the plants grow. We use the mulch to beautify our landscape, and then we give them to the employees so they can use it at their homes and beautify their homes too. If we don't recycle all of those barrels, we go to the landfill. And here we are an island, so we don't have enough space to dispose, so we are doing really good for our environment here on our island.
Suez Environment is to establish a joint venture to build and operate a new waste-to-energy plant that will process hazardous waste in China. The venture will be formed by Suez subsidiary, SITA Waste Services, the Shanghai Chemical Industry Park Investment Corporation, and Nantong Economic Technology and Development Area. The contract is expected to produce €575 million of revenue over the next 30 years. The plant itself has a capacity of 30,000 tonnes per year of locally produced hazardous waste, as well as 3,500 tonnes of medical waste. Suez Environment will take a 60% stake in the venture. A British dustman has saved thousands of rare photographs from World War I from landfill. In a report by the Daily Mail, Bob Smithhurst explained how he put the collection of over 5,000 images together over the course of his 36 years working as a dustman. He said that he found most of the pictures in the 70s and 80s, when the veterans from the war were passing away. Often the pictures would either fall from the bins Smithhurst carried on his back, or he would simply pick them off the ground at landfill sites. The collection also contains letters, medals and mementos from the war. For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.